Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. Zilliqa has bounced very well from the support of the falling wedge pattern and also from the support of 3 cents as well. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me to begin with this smaller time frame chart. Let me to take you to a 4-hour time frame. And here we have been watching that previously. First of all, let me to show you this hourly time frame. Zilliqa formed this descending triangle. We broke it out, but rejected by this resistance of 3.7 cents. That was a very significant resistance. Let me show you this resistance on the weekly time frame chart. And if I placed a trend line here at 3.7 cents, then you can see it has been working as a very strong support and resistance in the previous history as well. We can see that here it worked as a support, and here for several weeks it has been working as a support. Again, we had a rally, and when again we dropped here, we again tested here this 3.7 cent support. And before that, when we were having this rally that was started back after March 2020, we were rejected by 3 weeks. For 3 weeks we have been rejected by this resistance of 3.7 cents. So it is a quite big achievement that we have broken out this resistance. And today you can see even on the previous candlestick, we have the closing at 4.2. You can watch the closing price here at 4.2 cents. So on the daily time frame chart, we are closed above this level, and I'm expecting that we are not going to break it down, because this level can now work as a very strong support, like it has been breaking as a strong support and resistance previously as well. So we can expect now if we again take a look at this smaller time frame, then we can see after this rally. And by the way, let me just show you on the hourly time frame chart here, Zilliqa also formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. By the way, you can see here we have the left shoulder, here we have head, and here we have the right shoulder. And this was the neckline of the head and shoulder pattern here. And if we take a look at the target for this inverse head and shoulder pattern after the breakout, and you can see this resistance of 3.45 cents has also been working as a resistance of or neckline of this head and shoulder pattern. Yeah, this is, by the way, short-term resistance that Zilliqa has already broken out. And our target after this breakout was here at 4.7 cents, but we have rallied up to 4.53 cents. And at 4.5 cents, we have the next resistance. And let me just show you this 4.5 cents resistance on the weekly time frame chart once again. Then we can see previously this level has been breaking as a support here. Let me just show you on the daily time frame chart so it will be more visible for you. You can see this level has been breaking as a support here, and you can see for several days it has been breaking as a resistance from 21st of Feb 2022 up till here, up to 20th of March 2022, and before that it has been breaking as a support here, Therefore, right now you can see it is breaking as a resistance, and we are rejected by this resistance of 4.5 cents. Now, it is very important for Zilliqa to break out the resistance of this bigger falling wedge pattern as well on this weekly time frame chart. And you can see that we are also rejected by this resistance of the falling wedge pattern as well. On the daily time frame chart, you can watch this rejection very clear. But if we move back to the weekly time frame chart and watch this RSI oscillator here, then we can see that still we have a very big bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart. Here Zilliqa formed this low, and the next low is Zilliqa is forming a lower than previous one. And if you watch RSI, then you can see it formed a low here. The next low is being formed higher than the previous one. So there is a very big bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart. Therefore, the probability is very high for breaking out this resistance of the wedge. And after breaking out the resistance of the wedge, our target will be here at the top of the wedge from where we are rejected. That is 23 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.